Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to install XAMPP in Ubuntu 20.04. Now let's start. So I have given link in the description below. Just check out that link, and after I have opened that link, download this 64-bit file. In case if you are using 32-bit Linux machine, then XAMPP cannot be installed in your system because it is not available for a 32-bit machine. You have to manually install Apache server, MySQL server, and then after that the procedure is more or less the same. You will get all the related information over the net. So in case if you are using 64-bit machine, then you can of course install XAMPP in Ubuntu 20.04. so download this file. This is file for Linux. So let me just close this. I have already downloaded this file. So this is a file. Now let me just open terminal here. This is a file. First of all, you have to make this file executable. So to do that, simply type here chmod +x, and then you need to copy this file and paste in the terminal. Simply copy the name of this file with Ctrl+Shift+C, and now paste this file with Ctrl+Shift+V. I have not copied this file. Let me just copy this. Just press enter. After you have made this file executable, now you need to type the sudo command, because to execute this file you should have the sudo privileges. So simply type here your password. Now we will simply execute this file. So this is a command which will execute this file. So the setup has already been started. Now you need to click on next. Okay, so it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install XAMPP in Ubuntu 20.04. So let me just pause this video for a few minutes, because it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install this file completely. Okay, now we are at the end of this installation process. So you just need to remember XAMPP will install all its files in the folder which is known as OPT folder. So inside the OPT folder, all the contents of XAMPP will be installed inside the LAMP folder. And always if you want to run XAMPP, then you need to go to that folder, and you need to execute the installer file, and you should always give sudo privileges to that file. So these were the things that you should remember while operating XAMPP. If you do not want to use XAMPP, then it's completely fine. You can manually install Apache server. You can also manually install MySQL, and then you can save your projects inside the HTML folder, which is located inside the root directory, and the process is more or less the same. Also in XAMPP folder, inside the LAMP folder, you should save all your projects inside the htdocs folder in order to execute the file. Okay, so it is taking time. Let me just pause this video for some time again. So XAMPP have been successfully installed. So now just click on the finish button, and I have already launched XAMPP. So before, let me just close this. Okay, now let me just move on to the folder in which XAMPP is included, and I will show you that how to start XAMPP. So just exit from the root directory. Okay, so it is not inside the var folder, it was my bad. Okay, so here it is. Now you need to execute this file. Simply type here /. So you need to type here sudo /. You need to copy this file, Ctrl+Shift+C, and simply type here Ctrl+Shift+V. So as you can see here, XAMPP have been started. So in this video, in this way you can install XAMPP in Ubuntu 20.04. Now in case if you want to remove XAMPP, then you can simply run this file. You can simply type here sudo /uninstall. It will simply remove XAMPP from your system. And again, if you want to save your project, then you can save your project inside the htdocs folder, which is located inside LAMP. So let me just show that folder to you. Okay, htdocs. Okay, so you should save all your content inside this folder, which is htdocs folder, and then it will successfully execute all your PHP files, whatever PHP files are located inside htdocs folder. So yeah, that's it for this video. In this way you can install XAMPP in Ubuntu 20.04, and remember that XAMPP can only be installed in 64-bit files. Even if you are using 32-bit files, then there is no need for you to worry. You can easily install Apache server, you can easily install MySQL server, and then the process is same. You can check that blog or video over the YouTube for any other YouTube channel, or even from my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.